Hello, everyone. I almost feel like I need to say I'm back because with tax faculty, I'm not a regular presenter. I don't think. I think I pop up, once every now and then. So I'm so excited to come and do some presenting for tax faculty. Uh, Not ethics. This is a session that I'll be coming to do for you, which is more accounting based. And quite specifically, I'm coming to you to do accounting. The session that I'm coming to work with you is liquidation and distribution accounts. And I am coming, because I'm not a tax practitioner, to come and talk to you about some practical tools around, these liquidation and distribution accounts, actually right down to the journals. So please come and join me in hopefully a very practical toolbox type session, getting to the point of really clearing out these accounts, making sure we do the calculations right, making sure we get down to the point that when we are doing the distributions, when we are liquidating and we are paying out, that we are ensuring that we are getting it right. The worst thing you can do is get your numbers wrong. And, this is not even talking about the tax calculations that I'm sure that I'm speaking to the choir here. I'm talking about the actual debits and credits, the actual how do we take these books of accounts and really put it to bed. So please come and join me. I really don't want it to be a dry session. I want it to be a practical session, a case study session, and a session that maybe just gets you back to basics. So really looking forward to sharing some time with you, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, everyone.